Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix error messages when trying to delete emails in IONOS Webmail. Now this usually happens because the process usually aborts with the error message due to you usually reaching your storage space limit. Okay, so as a result the emails are no longer being moved to the trash, okay, when they're deleted. That's why the deletion process is aborted. So what you need to do is come to the top right, click on this gear cog, and then I want you to click here on all settings, and then I want you to click here on email on the left hand panel. Come here, scroll down until you see advanced settings. Okay, now I want you to scroll down. What I want you to do is I want you to click on this checkbox, permanently remove deleted email messages. Okay, so once you toggle this on, what will happen whenever you delete something, it will be permanently deleted directly. It will not go to trash. So that's what causes the error message. And that is how to fix error messages when trying to delete emails in IONOS Webmail.